This will be your living area where you can place a two-way sofa. The kitchen is very spacious where you can customize. This bedroom is very spacious where you can... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Purva Panorama by Puravankara located in Thane West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 12.75 acres that will have 5 towers with G plus 54 stories, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. As you can see, you will also get commercial spaces within the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with infinity swimming pool, clubhouse, 3 acres of podium space, multi-purpose court, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities within the vicinity. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Hiranandani Park, Patlipada, bang on Ghodbunder Road, Thane West, from where railway station is only 6.7 kilometers, metro is only 400 meters, that is 5 minutes walk from the project. Thane Borivali Tunnel is only 5 minutes drive, Eastern Express Highway is 4 kilometers and all famous school, colleges, hospital is within 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Purva Panorama. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 10-12 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you'll get a foyer area where you can customize your shoe closet. And this will be your living area where you can place a two-way sofa, your center table, also a side table. You can customize your TV unit. And also, you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can place your tea table, tea chairs in the balcony and make this your seating corner. As you can see, the balcony is very spacious. Moving forward, this will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Moving ahead, on the left we have a kitchen where you will get a L-shaped platform. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious where you can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You can easily place a double door fridge in this corner as the space given is enough for it, and also you will get this utility area that you can see is very spacious. You can place your washing machine and your clothes dryer. Moving forward, opposite to the kitchen, we have a common bedroom that is very spacious where you can place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit or make that corner your study corner or makeup corner. And this will be your wardrobe corner that you can customize as per your choice, which is tall enough if you want to build lofts. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom for a beautiful standing balcony look and view. Moving forward to the other bedrooms, as we move forward, over here we have a common washroom that is very spacious and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right next to the common washroom, we have a second bedroom that is a master bedroom, which you can see is very spacious to place your king and queen size bed along with the side table, and you have enough of walkable space. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom also for a beautiful standing balcony look and a beautiful view of your neighborhood. Over here, we have the wardrobe corner that you can customize by your choice. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. So this is a master bedroom, the bigger master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious where you can place your king size bed, and you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your bed, your side table, and you can customize your TV unit as well. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom as well for a beautiful standing balcony look and a beautiful view. This will be your wardrobe corner that you can customize as per your choice, and you can also build lofts. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Purva Panorama, and if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I have one question for you. You have been watching our videos for so long. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.